Hi ladies, so right now I want to show you a couple hidden treasures on TOT on 31today.com. They're not really so much hidden, but a lot of ladies I talk to do not click on them because they do not think they will use them. But these tools are very useful when you are designing, doing different graphic design images for your personal closed Facebook groups. So if I go to Toolbox, there's two things I'm going to show you. So the first one I'm going to show you is Twitter backgrounds. Now, just because it says Twitter backgrounds does not mean you have to use it on Twitter. I do not use mine for that. So if I was to click on it, it's actually going to save. And what I do is I'll save it in a folder where it's easily accessible, and I'll just rename the file name according to what catalog it is so I can find it easily. So I'm going to go ahead and press save. Now, it's not quite usable yet. So I'm going to go in and find that folder. Now, it is called a zip folder. What a zip folder is basically a zip folder contains a bunch of files together, and it makes it easier to send files, to download, things like that. So here's what you have to do, okay? Got to click on the folder, okay? You need to press up here where it says extract all files. Go ahead and press that, and then go ahead and press extract. I just usually click this little box and press yes. Now it's going to extract them, and it's going to put them in a folder where you can see thumbnails then, so you can easily see what everything is. So now if I go ahead and open this up, there are my backgrounds. This is great if you're using PicMonkey and you want to have this in the background. So these are awesome for that. Now the other item that some people overlook, which I don't really use this, but for some people they love it. If you go over here under product marketing, click on catalog elements. Now we're going to do the same thing. We're going to save it. Usually I will go ahead and rename it once again, Spring 2014. I'm going to go ahead and save. Now if I go ahead and open it up, and guess what I need to do? Extract the files once again. So I'm going to press extract all files. It's going to extract them, and it will give me little thumbnails once again. Okay, computer, so now I'm going to go in here. And these, so if you're familiar, obviously you've seen in the catalog and some of 31 pictures, they use this little circle. This is the little, it's kind of like just a bar, I guess you could say, and then here are the little clouds. So this all comes in handy when you are creating your graphic design files in PicMonkey.